Hey there, this is K4A. Today we are going to check out Autodesk SketchBook Draw Style tool. Let's go to SketchBook, make a new file, new canvas, and pick any kind of brush you like, and click on this tool icon which says Draw Style. Once you do that, you will get a couple of options. One, to draw lines. Second, to draw rectangles. Third, to draw ovals or circles. And fourth, the last, to draw polylines, lines which are connected one to each other until you release the button. So these tools, I don't use them much in my workflow, because I draw mostly organic stuff and character art, environment art, which is not like very precise or very uniform and so on. So I would probably use these to draw some kind of prototype, maybe concept art in beginner phase, or some kind of buttons, user interface, and so on. So that was probably the only idea which comes on my mind so far. So anyway, if I turn off this and try to use my free hand again, it will look to draw lines or precise lines. It doesn't look very good. It's very shaky and so on. Sometimes you can fix that with steady stroke. We talked about that earlier when you want to make some kind of oval and curve stuff. Same with predictive stroke, but those are not good for very simple and straight lines. So we have learned before that you can use rulers, ellipse, and French curve tools also to draw these shapes, but again, sometimes you just want a simple line. Like for example, I'm trying to make my horizon line. I just click on the left, drag, click on the right, and release, and that's it. Really straight, simple line, absolutely straight. So that's what you want. So for example, if I want to make some kind of road in perspective, or some kind of I don't know, building, and so on. So for example, if you are not sure that your line is 100% vertical, like 90 degrees, while you click and drag, press the shift button keyboard on your keyboard, and it will go straight vertically 90 degrees. So you can make some kind of, I don't know, again I'm just improvising here just to make some kind of building or whatever, box and so on. So not perfect, but good enough for start. So same with rectangle, just click the first time to where you want the top left corner to be, then drag, and when you're satisfied you just release it. You're not satisfied, just undo, click and drag again. So for example, I can draw building here also like this, and just connect now with my line tool. You see how this is really fast. Again, maybe not completely precise and in perspective, but for some kind of start it's good. Same with oval tool, circular. When you try to click and drag, it will make some kind of ellipse shape. Sometimes that is what you want to create, but sometimes you want perfect circle, and for that you again have to press shift. So now it's constrained to circle. If I release it and drag up and down, left and right, I am making ellipses, not circle. Circle is made if you press shift on your keyboard Okay, okay, and so on. So that was it. And polyline, the last one, is the line which is continuing until you, I think, right click it. Oops, no, maybe enter. Yeah, enter. So again, maybe to make some kind of cracks or stuff like that. Yeah, simple as that, or flash logo. These tools, again, I don't use them very much, but again, it's up to you. You can make, for example, simple menu like this in few seconds or minutes if you want to add some colors or whatever. So this can be like a user interface mock-up, some kind of application, or same thing with some kind of oval, circular shapes and buttons like this, and so on. So again, it's up to you what you want to make and how to do it. So again, these are, for example, not very precise in terms of this line is not, they are not aligned on the left, so you can see here. But again, some of those tools are not available in SketchBook, unfortunately, so we will talk about in later videos. So far so good. Just try those tools. Some of those are really unique to SketchBook, and you will find them very intuitive, and ask yourself how other premium software don't have those. That's it for this video. See you in next one. Bye for now.